Hey, welcome back. So this one we gonna start with breaking down your habits. In the last couple of videos gives you a complete understanding about what's the book Atomic Habits telling you to manage your time and productivity. Now, in further step, we are going to do more or like practical approach. I will be introducing you two tools. One is paid and one is free tool, which you can still use. And over here, the thing is like you learned about habit tracking. You have a Google sorry you have a calendar over here, and this gives you a tracker which basically allows you to track which one you need to focus on, which one you should not focus on at the moment, something like that. And along with the last tool which I've been introduced with the rise, you will be able to understand which time you are pretty much active at, and you can coordinate your time accordingly. Now over here, as I told you, mark your calendar whenever you cross something on your calendar. And this is kind of a reward system, and reward yourself for on something. For example, if you get a job, you reward yourself with a PS5 or something which you like, or a bike, or something which you want to buy for a long time, but you didn't buy it for a long time. So this reward system will help you to trick your brain. Now, in the next one, I'm going to introduce you a tool called Rise. So this is like a time tracking tool. Now, over here, we are using a traditional approach. There are tools where you can automate the things like using Motion.ai. Again, this NDA course is not introducing you a couple of tools and telling you how to do it. The NDA purpose is something like which worked for me for a long time, and I'm going to pass that information to you back. All right. So this is kind of take around 15 minutes time to to make a to-do list and plan things and everything. Right. Now over here, this is like an Rise application. The link for this particular thing is there in the description. So if you use that, you can use it for 30 days for free. And if you like it, it's up to you whether you continue the subscription, but try to do in your job hunting time the trial period. It really help you. All right. And coming back over reference over here. So this is a tool which help you to track your time automatically. You don't have to do anything. You focus on something, it will automatically track your time, and it will tell you what time has spent your day on things. And you can see that I have been able to only focus for 3 hours, and it has consumed my 7 hours already. So I've been using this app for like a long time. Maybe if I push into the last year, I've been using this app for like 2 years, and it really did work for me. It might take some time to load because I'm pulling a year data, or maybe I can just go into a specific date to show you the app I was using. See, I've been using this app for like very long time, and at the moment I'm using into the way to the productive way I'm using this app for. Now over here you can have set some projects which you're currently working on resume and career, and you can track your time, how much time you have spent for this. And this way you really know like what's your goals are, or how many time you're spending on things. And you can track each website and application like where exactly you're spending a more time on, and try to defocus the time to specific areas which you would like to go on with. So again, here you can set a lot of tracking tools. Our detailed section of this tools will be at the end of this videos, but I'm just telling you, try exploring this kind of tools which is working for you or not. So this is one which been working for me for a long time, and I really enjoy with this. um, all right, and over here you can see when you work on something which is not been part of things, you can it automatically suggest you whether it's a hiring related. You assign this, then next time it will track it automatically and will provide you a dashboard. And it also gives you a productivity weekly report in your email when you subscribe to it. So again, for the students, if you are looking for some free tool, the next one is a free tool which I'm using. That's called Pomofocus. In the Atomic book, if you read the book, you will be able to see they're talking about Pomo Focus, how they've been dividing the time into three equal intervals of 25 minutes, 25 minutes, into four equal intervals. Once every equal intervals will be having 5 minutes break in between. After the fourth break, fourth 25 minutes, you can take 1 hour 45 minutes break session, and this way you will be able to focus on things which you would like to do. Now if I want to start apply for some job, I can start this Pomo Focus and add my task like LinkedIn job. Click on save. Now the Pomo Focus is running over here, right? So this finish at this particular time, and the timer is counting over here. So you can sign into the dashboard, and you here also you can able to see the report, and this is completely free. So I'm introducing you new two tools where you can go and explore this time tracking thing, and this also helps you to keep on productivity, analyze where your time is going. And of course you're human, we have all the distraction things happening, so the best thing we can as a human do is like find those distraction, reduce the time where we spend a lot of time on the distraction. So I hope these two tools is going to be helpful for you. In the next video I'm going to talk about